Marble isn't just a pretty rock, it's a metamorphic stone transformed by immense heat and pressure deep within the earth. What you see as a smooth, polished surface actually began its journey in a world of darkness, buried far below the ground where unimaginable forces are constantly at work. It all starts as limestone, a sedimentary rock formed from the remains of ancient sea creatures and shells, compacted and cemented together over millions of years. These layers of limestone are like pages in a history book, recording the story of life on Earth long before humans ever appeared. When tectonic plates shift and mountains rise, the limestone is pushed deeper underground. There, under intense heat and pressure, the calcite crystals inside the limestone begin to grow, fusing together and erasing any trace of the fossils that once filled the rock. This process, called metamorphism, creates a stone that's denser, stronger, and far more beautiful than its humble beginnings. The swirls and veins you see in marble, those are the result of mineral impurities, like clay, silt, sand, or iron oxides, caught up in the transformation. As the rock is squeezed and heated, these minerals are twisted, stretched, and folded, creating the dramatic patterns that make every slab of marble unique. Each slab is a unique record of geological history, shaped by the minerals present: iron for reds and yellows, serpentine for greens, pure calcite for brilliant white. The variety of colors and patterns you see in marble is a direct result of the different elements and conditions present during its formation, making each piece a one-of-a-kind work of natural art. This transformation is not something that happens overnight. It takes eons, millions of years, of geological activity, far beyond anything a factory could replicate. The Earth's crust is constantly shifting, folding, and changing, and marble is a testament to the slow, patient artistry of nature. The result is a stone that's not only beautiful but also durable, able to be polished to a high shine. Craftsmen and artists have prized marble for centuries, not just for its looks but for its strength and versatility in sculpture and architecture. When you see marble, you're looking at the outcome of the planet's raw power, beauty born from chaos. It's a reminder that even the most violent forces of nature can create something truly breathtaking. Its interlocking crystals make it strong, yet every piece is distinct, telling its own story. No two slabs are ever exactly alike, and each one carries the marks of its own unique journey through time and pressure. Marble's journey from deep within the earth to your home is long and dramatic. It's a process that involves not just natural forces but also human ingenuity and effort to uncover, extract, and shape this remarkable stone. Finding marble is just the beginning. Extracting and shaping it is a whole other adventure. It takes skill, precision, and care to reveal the beauty hidden inside each block. The transformation gives marble its signature look and feel, making it a timeless material. From ancient temples to modern homes, marble has been a symbol of luxury and endurance for thousands of years. It's a slow, natural process that results in a hidden treasure waiting to be discovered. Each new find is a glimpse into the Earth's distant past, preserved in stone, and that's just the start of marble's incredible journey. From the depths of the Earth to the heart of our homes, marble continues to inspire awe, connecting us to the planet's ancient history every time we see or touch it. Once a marble deposit is discovered, the real work begins in massive, open-cast quarries, where the landscape is transformed by human ambition and engineering. These sites are often located in remote, mountainous regions, chosen for the quality and abundance of marble hidden beneath the surface. Over time, giant man-made canyons are carved into the mountains, creating dramatic, terraced landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. The scale of these quarries is truly breathtaking, with sheer walls of stone rising high above the workers below. Instead of simply smashing the stone, workers use advanced diamond wire saws and powerful heavy machinery to carefully cut out enormous blocks of marble. This technology allows for precise, clean cuts, minimizing waste and preserving the natural beauty of the stone. Each block can weigh up to 15 tons, comparable to moving several family cars at once. Specialized forklifts and loaders are required to transport these massive pieces safely within the quarry. Precision is absolutely key. A single wrong move or miscalculation can ruin a valuable block, costing both time and money. Workers meticulously measure and inspect each cut, ensuring the marble's integrity is maintained throughout the process. Extraction methods can differ depending on the quarry's geology and the desired outcome. Some quarries cut vertically, slicing deep into the earth, while others peel away horizontal layers, revealing the marble in broad, flat sheets. Each technique requires its own set of skills and equipment. The environment is loud, dusty, and dangerous, filled with the constant roar of machinery and clouds of stone dust. Workers must remain alert and skilled, wearing protective gear and relying on teamwork to stay safe in these challenging conditions. Once a block is freed from the mountain, cranes and other heavy equipment carefully lift and load it onto heavy-duty trucks, preparing it for the next leg of its journey. The entire operation is a carefully choreographed dance between man and machine, each relying on the other to wrestle with nature's immense scale and weight. It's a testament to human ingenuity and cooperation. Every step is focused on preserving the stone's integrity, ensuring that each block arrives at the factory in perfect condition, ready for the next stage of transformation. The journey from mountain to factory is just beginning, as convoys of trucks carry these precious blocks away from the quarry. It's a gritty, awe-inspiring process, one that demands strength, precision, and respect for the raw power of nature. The extraction of marble is not just about removing stone, it's about unlocking the potential hidden within the earth. Marble's story starts here with this raw, powerful extraction, a dramatic first chapter in its transformation from mountain to masterpiece. At the factory, massive raw marble blocks arrive from the quarry, each weighing several tons. These blocks are carefully positioned onto powerful cutting machines, ready to be transformed into usable slabs. The process begins with precision and planning, as each block is evaluated for the best way to maximize yield and minimize waste. Gang saws, equipped with dozens of parallel steel blades, grind relentlessly through the dense stone. The rhythmic motion of the blades creates a symphony of sound and vibration, slowly slicing the block into even sections. Alternatively, multi-wire saws use high-tension diamond-coated wires, which glide through the marble with remarkable speed and precision. This advanced technology allows for faster, cleaner cuts, reducing both time and material loss. Cutting a single block can take several hours depending on its size and hardness, but the result is impressive. Multiple uniform slabs, each with consistent thickness, emerge from a single block, ready for further processing. Throughout the cutting process, a continuous stream of water cools the blades and wires, preventing overheating and reducing the risk of cracks or fractures in the delicate stone. The resulting slabs are typically about 2 to 3 centimeters thick. At this stage, they are still quite fragile, and their surfaces appear dull and rough, hiding the marble's true beauty. Each slab undergoes a careful inspection for cracks, chips, or other imperfections that could affect its strength or appearance. The slabs are then cataloged and organized for book matching, a process where adjacent slabs are aligned to create a mirrored, symmetrical pattern enhancing the natural veining and visual impact. At this point, the marble's vibrant colors and intricate patterns remain hidden beneath a coarse, unpolished surface, waiting to be revealed in later stages. Because the slabs are thin and brittle, workers must handle them with extreme care, using specialized equipment to prevent accidental breakage or damage. This careful slicing marks the first major step in transforming a rough, unrefined block into a surface that will soon be both functional and beautiful. Now, the freshly cut slabs are stacked and prepared for reinforcement and finishing, setting the stage for the next phase of their journey. The transformation from raw stone to polished art is just beginning, as each slab moves closer to revealing the timeless elegance of marble. Marble's natural veins and fissures make it beautiful, but also vulnerable. To strengthen slabs, a fiberglass mesh is bonded to the back with epoxy resin, like giving the stone a skeleton. The front gets a clear or tinted resin, filling microscopic pores and hairline fractures. This process reinforces the slab and enhances its color and pattern. The resin is cured, hardening into an invisible but essential support. Without this step, many marbles would be too fragile for countertops. Modern chemistry helps nature's art survive the journey to your home. Reinforcement is a key difference between high and low-quality marble. It ensures the slab can handle transport, installation, and daily use. The result, a durable, vibrant surface ready for finishing. This step bridges raw stone and functional beauty. Now the marble is ready for its final transformation. With the slab reinforced, it's time for artistry. Automated polishing lines use diamond abrasive pads to grind and buff the surface, transforming it from dull to gleaming. Some slabs are left matte for a honed finish, others are polished to a mirror shine. Next, fabricators cut the slab to your kitchen's exact measurements using water jets or CNC machines. Intricate shapes for sinks and edges are crafted with precision. Hand finishing ensures every edge is smooth and every detail perfect. This blend of technology and craftsmanship turns a rough slab into a custom work of art. The marble is now ready for its final journey. Every piece is unique, tailored for its new home. The transformation from raw stone to finished masterpiece is nearly complete. Transporting marble is a delicate science. Slabs travel upright on A-frame racks, never flat, to prevent cracking. Heavy-duty straps and padding keep each piece secure during the bumpy ride. At delivery, installers use special clamps to maneuver the heavy stone through tight spaces. Precision and teamwork are essential. One slip can be costly. Once inside, the countertop is leveled, seams sealed, and fixtures installed. The journey from mountain to kitchen is complete. Marble's transformation is finished. It's now the centerpiece of your home. Decades of beauty and history are ready to be enjoyed. Why marble? Beyond its beauty, marble stays cool, perfect for baking and heat resistance. Its unique veining means every countertop is one of a kind, a natural work of art. Marble brings elegance and timelessness, prized for centuries by artists and architects. It's softer and more porous than granite, so it needs care. Avoid scratches and stains. Most slabs are sealed for protection, but a little mindfulness goes a long way. For many, the beauty and history of marble outweigh the upkeep. It's a piece of the earth transformed for your home. Not all marble is the same. Natural marble is a unique ancient stone, while artificial marble is factory-made to mimic the look. Natural marble's patterns are random and unrepeatable, each slab a geological original. Artificial marble mixes stone chips and resins, creating uniform, consistent slabs. Engineered stone is less porous and more stain-resistant, making it practical for busy kitchens. However, it lacks the depth and character of real marble. Patterns can look repetitive. Some artificial marbles aren't as heat-resistant as natural stone. The choice comes down to priorities: uniqueness and beauty, or consistency and low maintenance. Real marble is a piece of art from the earth. Artificial marble is engineered convenience. Both have their place, but only natural marble carries the story of time and transformation. Choose what fits your lifestyle and your sense of style. Marble is quarried worldwide, each region producing stone with unique character. Italy's Carrara marble is iconic, soft white with subtle gray veins used by Michelangelo. Calicata, also from Italy, is rarer with bold veining and a bright white background. Spain's Crema Marfil offers warm beige tones, while Nero Marquina dazzles with dramatic black and white. Egypt's marbles reflect desert hues. Ireland's Connemara marble swirls in every shade of green. Each variety tells a story of its origin. Minerals, climate, and history shape its identity. Choosing marble is choosing a piece of a specific place on Earth. The world's palette is vast, from classic whites to striking blacks and greens. When you bring marble home, you bring a slice of the planet's history and artistry.